Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror from your iPhone over to your iPad. So just open up the settings on your iPhone and your iPad first. We need to tap on Wi-Fi here right under airplane mode. They both need to be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi to work. Keep in mind this doesn't work over Bluetooth. So you can see I'm connected to this Luddites and Neolites network. You both need to be connected to that network on both devices. Now, after you've done that, unfortunately, there's no built-in way to be able to do it on your iPhone. However, we can just open up the App Store. And the really nice thing is that we can just download and install a mirroring app that will allow us to be able to do that. So what we're going to type in is mirror and hit search. And now keep in mind that there are several different mirroring apps, but we're going to scroll down until you get to the app that says A Power Mirror. So this is the one. A Power Mirror Screen Mirroring. Just download it and install this. It doesn't get great reviews, but it does work to mirror from your iPhone over to your iPad. I'll show you how it works. So after you've downloaded and installed this app on both your iPhone and iPad, let's just open it up. You'll need to give it permission to access your local network. And after you've done that, you'll be able to see this screen on both devices, your iPhone and iPad. You can tap on Localcast here, and it will search for that device, and it will pop up right here. Now, if it does say no device found, an easy way to fix that is to, again, just close out of the app on your iPhone and iPad and open it back up. And again, make sure you're both on the exact same Wi-Fi network. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.